Nature is always beautiful.
We cannot survive without nature. But remember,
But nature can survive without us.
Sometimes we discover something, sometimes we invent something. But without nature, nothing happens. All living things have right to live along with us.
It is everyone's responsibility to take care of our environment and to make this planet wonderful and beautiful to live. On this World Nature Conservation Day, let us affirm our commitment to protect our planet for future generations by promoting sustainable development to improve and overcome the challenges of climate changes. Cut all packets till half.
If we cut small size of packet, it does not recycle due to small size.
These small bits are eaten by animals, cows, goats, fishes, leading them to choking and eventually dying.
Avoid using plastic.
Take cloth bags to market to buy vegetables so we can avoid plastic covers. Start a terrace garden, plant trees, avoid global warming.
Avoid bikes for short distance. For small distance, try to walk.
Save water for future generations.
Save the energy for future generations.
Save petrol for future generations.
live with nature, not with global warming.
Stop polluting environment.
ప్రకృతి సంరక్షణ మన కర్తవ్యం.
ప్రకృతికి రక్ష భవిష్యకి సురక్ష. When it comes to nature conservation, your action matters more than opinions.
Save the nature.